Somehow I actually managed to go overtime. I managed to go overtime. But it's only like 3 slides left, so we're good. This like I was saying, this is like the most unused item or gaming system that I've ever had. My brother only plays it when he comes in town. I play it sometimes. No, I don't really play it. Like if we have like younger, like I'm 24, so if we have people like teenagers that come over, I'll let them play it. But other than that, by me, the one who owns it, this is like not used whatsoever. But it's cool to have. My dad used to play it. Okay, this is not. Okay, there we go. Okay. I don't know if it was working before. My AirPods, I just got these. I used to be notorious for breaking my headphones. Knock on wood, these are not going to break. But I got these back in. Oh my god, I didn't put the age. Okay, well, let's go back. I was 22 when I got these. My dad actually, if you could see my mouse, put my name and had it engraved right here in the front because I'm always losing stuff. Um, but I got these back in 21, and I still have them. They work beautifully. I actually take care of them. That's the good part about it. I actually take care of them. Do I clean them? Not as much as I should, but I do clean them. But yeah, these are still with us, and knock on wood, they will be with us for many more years. Because Apple was coming out with a different product like every 6 months, and it's kind of annoying. And each product is more expensive than the last, and I refuse to buy new AirPods. So these were already like $300, $400, so I refuse. Well, I didn't pay for them; my parents paid for them. But yeah, so I think this next one is our last slide. It is the beloved. This one is actually mine. If you can see my mouse, this one is actually mine that I have, and it's so funny. Everybody's like, "You have a pink iPad?" I'm like, "Yes, they come in different colors." Like, what? Like, you didn't know they come in different colors? Like, literally, since I've got it, literally everybody that has seen is like, "Your iPad is pink," and I'm like, "Yes," and it actually has. My dad had this one engraved as well with my name on the back because Lord knows if I lose it, at least we got proof that it's mine. And because I have a case on it, like God forbid, knock on wood, somebody was to steal it, I could just be like, officer, my name's on the back of it. Show my ID. Show because they probably wouldn't think to look at the back of it. Um, or they're gonna try to scratch it off, so officer would know. Like, of course that's mine. And I still have the serial number and everything for it. I keep all that stuff for my Apple devices. This is the iPad 10th generation. Which I think that just means it's like a 10-inch screen. But I got this literally just this past Christmas. I was 23 when I got it. I still use it, and you've probably seen it in the class. And because all the students in this class are in all of my other classes, they have seen it. And they're the main ones who are like, "Oh my God, it's pink." Yes, it's pink. Um, but this is amazing. I absolutely adore it. I adore it. Anytime I'm holding it in my hand, I squeeze it so tight because I'm like, if I drop this, I'm going to cry. But yeah, this is the end of my presentation. If you have to ask me which one of these devices was my favorite out of the new one, I can't choose because it's either the AirPods or this, my iPad. But out of the old ones, all my gaming devices, my Game Boy, my DS, seeing the evolution of those was amazing. So all of them are amazing. I love them, and thank you for watching. Wink.